करें। ओके। WAPPSO0 WAP. Come on, don't wait on me. Okay, so we will cover the current version and the activation of that. The Then we'll look at the info types and of course this transaction PPOM old. Okay, 01 and PSO0 current plan. Okay, and then we have PF30. We'll not look into this. PPOM old. PPOM old. Okay, organizational unit. Caltex is our company. Caltex is our company. Caltex Global and 01 change. Okay, line supervisor of HR department, finance and sales. Okay, not occupied by any person right now. The master data is not yet attached to it. Then we have T582A. For that, we'll go for SM30 T582A. Maintenance dialog. Continue. Attribute customizing. Contain. Okay, now these are the info types. Now there are thousands, like 10,000 info types. Okay, you can check the list. These are some of the most commonly used. Okay, now comes the next part, personal administration, SPRO. Personal administration and organizational data. Organizational assignment, define employee attributes. Define employee attributes. Okay, country grouping is 10, which is US payroll. And we'll have to find our country, which is C, I guess. Enter. Okay, Caltex is active and we'll have to take a snapshot. I'll do that later because I have to keep notes. Otherwise, we lose track of the configuration. Define terms of employment Germany. So we have C3, C4, and employee subgroup. This is important. So I'll revise it once this is over. Defining attributes. Okay, position C. Okay, we don't have it. How come we don't have it? Active retiree. Where is Caltex? Okay, retail target country grouping, PK, define international terms of employment. No, I guess define terms of employment Germany, country grouping 10, catering TG, Caltex CX, employee, it's already okay. Define international terms of employment. US. Okay. And Caltex CX. Fair enough. Next is create payroll area. HHHS. Payroll will be create payroll. And do we have something with C? C0, Caltex monthly and Caltex weekly. Okay. That is CM and W. Check the payroll for PA box, payroll box. It was checked. Fine, fine, fine. Create payroll area again. CM, CM Caltex monthly. Okay, this is also done. CW weekly. Okay, run payroll. Fair enough. Create payroll area. And fine, this is also done. Each payroll accounting area is assigned one period parameter. Check default payroll area. Default payroll area ABKRS determines how payroll runs for certain employees. Previously, we discussed feature number range for employees, and ABKRS T class transaction class for data retention. Click on otherwise. Molga country grouping is 10. Okay, employee group. And do we have anything with Caltex? Yes. Subgroup. Hourly salary. Okay. And CW and CM monthly. Fair enough. This is also done. Important step is parameter weekly and monthly. Alt area. Activate. Create change. Create control record. Payroll area CM. Change. Okay, payroll period 01, 2024 from 01 to 31. Okay, because this monthly, so first period is that. CW. Change. So it is 01 to 71. Okay, fair enough. Now, next is maintain payroll periods. We've already done that. Okay, SM30. SM30 T549Q. T549Q. VQ. Okay, VQ. Payroll periods. Maintain period parameters. 01, 01, and for this monthly. So we have each month for every year till 2030, and we just have to key in the first date of the month to the next to the last date of the month. And previous year was 2029. This is payroll year is 2029, and 10th is the last previous month. So that's how you actually do that. Okay, and SEM3249 maintain Q period parameter 03 weekly, 03 weekly. For this, we might have to key in because it's not maintained completely. Okay, it's maintained from 2001, 2, and 3, and 4, 01, 07, 08 to 15. That's how you will configure the weeks till 52. So 52 times you'll have to rerun this iteration. And organizational plan, define org, units, jobs, it's already maintained. Jobs and, okay, these are maintained. Yes, these are already maintained because we did it in the last lecture. Next is SPRO. Administration, organizational data, assignment, define administrator. Okay, define administrator, new entries, APPL, TGP, telephone SAP name was net, personal admin, time admin, and payroll admin. Now, these are the three admin guys. One will be responsible for the personal master data, the other will be for attendance, and the third one for payroll. APPL. Okay, APPL and APPL, and administrator will be CX. Okay, CPE. Okay. Caltex Jim, title Mr. Telephone number was net. No, was net SAP APPL, and this will be time admin CTM Caltex and was net SAP APPL. This will be for payroll CPA Caltex Sam Mr. was net SAP. Okay, save. All right, this is done. Next is APPL. Okay, administrator, group administrator. Okay, group APPL. That's the next one. Administrator groups. Administrator group, bench, T-class, otherwise, and employee group. What was our employee group? C, I guess. Create. Transfer. And employee subgroup was employee subgroup. Now, this is where you actually forget. Uh-oh. Employee group.